Hello and welcome to your Quadriceps Fascial Freedom tutorial. Now ideally we're going to be using our PVC piping with this one. Foam rollers are completely fine, it's just that they're a little bit higher off the ground. If that is the case, what you want to do is pop some pillows or some cushions underneath your belly so it's not like you're holding a plank and bracing. What we're going to do first of all is we're just going to find midway through the thigh. If you're new to this, just start there. As always, Fascial Freedom is all about self-discovery. So you might realize the more you get into it, you might have to start higher or lower down to the knee. It's a little bit individual and that's what we want you guys to work through. So first of all, with all of our Fascial Freedom sites, the first thing you can do is just find a spot and just relax on it. Allow that body to relax and just melt on top of the PVC piping. Once you've sat there for about a minute or so, then we're just going to introduce some very small, precise movements. Up and down, side to side in different directions. So you can either tilt your pelvis, that's one way of doing it. You can use your arms and just drag up and down a little bit, so we've just got a little bit of movement up and down. You can even go side to side as well. Just some form of movements. We don't want any large movements at all. You see a lot of people doing those in the gym. That's really only just hitting some superficial. We want to get deep, hence the very hard PVC piping. There we go. Start with that one. Set a timer as always. Breathe through it. Really focus. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video tutorial.